is there one or the other that kind of stands out to you?
So I would definitely say like lip gloss or glitter lip gloss for sure.
Okay, because glitter lips glosses has the highest search volume per month, and it's still at a 44 difficulty, which is in context, it's pretty low. It's the third lowest difficulty over here. So it's got good search volume. You're already ranking on page 4 or 5 for it. Our goal is to get you to page one. This program is called Surfer. It's going to show you what articles you need to write dominate the search results. Now, it's almost like you become your own best affiliate because
Mhm.
as these article topics come up, write them and then you link back to your product.
Gotcha. Okay.
And then you link between the articles and link back to the product. And so you're creating your own web of authority. And Google's, oh, somebody's searching for this. This
Gotcha.
site is the authority on that thing. Oh, it's already up. Yay. I get so excited. Okay. So here are all of the different articles that you could potentially write.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Brown lips. Okay. That's pretty cool.
So I'm gonna scroll through this really fast just so you can see how many there are. Now,
Wow. Okay. Yeah, that's
yeah.
a lot.
So you don't do all of them. Okay. First, over here, this is search intent.
Okay.
It's good to have an informational article. That's just somebody searching for information, not necessarily where you want to spend most of your time. But if you can provide some value in one of these areas,
Okay.
say makeup for festival, that could be a good
Right.
one. You could make a tutorial about makeup for festival,
Okay.
put a blog on your, website about it, got a little video, maybe, I don't know if you've got an influencer contact or something that could do something,
Mhm.
then that all connects together and is, oh, then I need to get her lip gloss or I need to get that eyeliner or eyeshadow or whatever. So that's informational. And it tells us right here that the search volume for this cluster of keywords,
Sure.
almost 3,000 a month.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah. So you could expect if you wrote this article and got it together, whatever, 29 visits a month, which I know sounds like, ooh, all that for that. But if it's really targeted to what people are looking for, you're going to start right at them versus just hoping somebody's going to find it. So there's that. So, yeah, I choose one of those, make it for festival sticks out to me. Uh, but the biggest one, obviously, it's like bottom of the funnel is the shopping options
Yep.
because it's like people are looking for something. They're looking for a lip gloss with shimmer. So, if you can have content on your page,
8%.
and
Makes a lot of sense.
yeah, and here's something that not a lot of people I don't think have thought about because this is more like an affiliate marketer mindset.
Mhm.
I think about your product pages. One way to grab a hold of this and create authority without actually having to write all the blogs,
Okay.
to optimize one of those pages with these words.
Words. Okay. Yeah, that's what I was also thinking about. And I was just like, maybe I can start taking some of those keywords and rewrite the description, put those in there too.
Yeah, exactly. I love talking to you because I could tell from the moment that we started chatting that we were going to be on the same page with these ideas.
Yeah.
And then what's really cool about this one over here, it stands out to me is that it has holographic makeup. So if you then do a content cluster about holographic eyeshadows later, that's a natural link to
Right.
that article.
Gotcha.
And when you write the articles, you want to create graphics that represent those things, your own advertisements. Oh, find this here, click here to shop or whatever. Very simple, but not a lot of people do it. And because there's so many at bottom of funnel, I would just choose like 10 of these or something that is
Yeah.
the
Okay.
most aligned with what you do.
Gotcha. Diamond lip gloss. Okay.
Yeah. Now, the other thing that you have to think about is the other element of search intent. So it's, yeah, this is shopping, but what are they shopping for? So it looks, you could hijack this keyword for sure, but sometimes it's maybe a brand name.
Right. Yeah. Anastasia is definitely a brand name.
But you could do something fun where you're like comparing your stuff to her
Yeah.
stuff.
Right.
So this is what I'm going to do for you right here. Is an option to export. So I'm going to email that to you. You can put it in an Excel spreadsheet.
Oh, okay, perfect.
Yeah. So you could look at it and then definitely, like you said, look at those keywords, try to infuse them or whatever. And if you want one of these for those other content clusters, I sell these for $99.
Gotcha.
That's the first step is just, okay, take a look at it, see if there's some articles you want written. Oh, let me show you one more thing because you're probably curious about like, how do you write this in a way that makes sense? Which one of these stand out to you the most?